Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Colab and creating a new Python 3 notebook. This is your live Jupyter environment in the cloud. Once done, set the runtime type. Choose GPU or TPU only when you need fast tensor work. Make sure to save the notebook to drive immediately so versions persist. Next, install any missing libraries with pip or apt and upload data through the Files pane or mount your drive. This prepares the workspace for coding and data access. You now structure your notebook, alternate shortcode cells and explanatory text so each step is clear and repeatable. Run cells with Shift plus Enter and test functions incrementally to catch bugs early. Load data into Pandas or NumPy, and when files are large, stream or use drive paths to avoid memory pressure. Keep dependency installs in a dedicated top cell so collaborators reproduce the environment. If you change packages, restart the runtime and rerun cells in order to ensure consistency and avoid hidden state problems. You wrap up by cleaning and exporting. Clear unnecessary outputs, save a fresh checkpoint, and export the notebook as IPINB or PI depending on the recipient. Once exported, set drive permissions to control editing versus viewing. If something goes wrong, like a crashing runtime, restart the runtime, rerun the initialization cells in order, and inspect installed package versions for conflicts. This usually resolves inconsistent behavior. Finally, leave a short top cell summary so anyone opening the notebook knows how to reproduce your results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.